Tired of your iPhone photos being automatically enhanced? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to disable the auto-enhancing features on the iPhone camera. Now let's get started. To turn off auto-enhancement on your iPhone camera, there are a few settings you can change. Begin by opening your Settings app and selecting Photos. Scroll down and toggle off View Full HDR. Then navigate to your camera settings. Select Photographic Styles. Then tap Use Standard. To disable auto-enhancement of videos, select Record Video. Then scroll down and turn off HDR video. After that, you can use your iPhone's camera as normal, and your photos and videos should not undergo any auto-enhancement. That's all it takes to turn off auto-enhancement of iPhone photos. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.